When I used 5, I start to do sport and start to love sport. I always dream to be the Olympic champion in gymnastics. Every day, every year, we went to gymnastics. If we say, "Oh, Mom, I'm so tired, I'm cold, please, can I stay at home?" She said, "No, you have to go there." I say, "Why? You must do that, go and do that." I was feeling that I can achieve something great in gymnastics. I think that I will not stop. I never missed a day, so that's maybe why I am here now. When I was 15, I finished gymnastics because I was so tall, and when I make some exercise, I touch a floor, I always like this. I was afraid to do something difficult, something dangerous. I started to understand that I can break my legs or arms. I was afraid for that. But I don't want to finish sport because I like so much and this is my life. My coach from gymnastics asked me, "Do you want to try a pole vault?" I say, "What? What is it, pole vault?" They give me pole. I was surprised because it's so long. I can't imagine how it's possible to do something with this pole. The gymnastics helped me a lot because I have power, I have some speed. Yeah, I don't know how technically right to do some exercise, but I was ready. My first jump was at 270 and I said, okay, I will do that. I jump and ha ha ha, like this, and I was happy for that. If they say, okay, in future you will jump 5 meters first, I say, are you crazy? I can jump 3 meters here, you won't tell me about 5, it's impossible. Yes, and nobody believed that it's possible for women. When I start to believe in myself and I start to think that it's right that I'm in pole vault, year by year I improve myself, I improve the results, and now I'm the first woman who over 5 meters. Next I will draw all my heights, which I achieved already and which I want to achieve in the future. Each hand it's my world record, which I already jumped over. Now I have 19 world records. I have a potential to grow up and improve. When I moved from gymnastics to pole vault, a lot of gymnasts try to move to pole vault, but it's not so easy. I tried to explain my experience for them, that everything is possible, is really possible.